How to sell your design on Canva. Let's get started. Firstly, you'll need to launch your preferred browser and then navigate to the website canva.com/contributors. Now you'll need to sign up to become a Canva creator. You'll need to submit your portfolio and provide details about your design style and experience. After applying, Canva will review your submission. If approved, you'll receive an email inviting you to start uploading designs. Once accepted, log into Contributor Dashboard and click Upload. You can submit templates, graphics, photos, videos. Make sure your files follow Canva's guidelines for size, format, and originality. For each item, add a clear title, description, and relevant tags. This helps users find your designs easily. When everything is filled in, click Submit. Canva's team will review your design to ensure it meets their quality standards. You can track views, downloads, and earnings in your dashboard. You'll earn money each time a pro user downloads your design. Popular items include social media templates, Instagram Reels cover, business presentations, seasonal graphics. Stay consistent and create useful on-trend content. And that's how to start selling your designs on Canva. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.